Alrighty, we're back again with another great product. We have a 2-port 4K DP KVM switch. We're going to unbox and let's see what's inside. We're unboxing this to see what's inside. Let's see. We are going to slide this open. Move this to the side. We're going to open the box. Ooh, that's nice. This looks like the unit here. Oh no, what is, oh yeah, wow. Really? So it has USB 2, DP input, USB 1, DP. We're going to open that, but that's the package. Pull that straight out. Whoa, we got a lot of cables. Lots of cables. This is good. This is what we want. Look at that. We have looks like a display port cable. Another display port cable. All right, we have a switcher where we can click it, and then we have the instructions. So that's what all comes in the box. I am going to take this and the instructions.